Hi there, it's Pascal here, and in this video I want to talk about believing. And if you're wondering where I am, if you guessed the gym, you're probably right. And because I just finished my workout and I'm just in the car park here chilling out. You know, when you finish exercising, you just feel a little bit need that fresh air, and so I'm just chilling out here. Now, in this video, it's all about believing, and this is where the rubber meets the road. Because if you're looking to start a business online and you don't believe it, you will never get a result. Now, you may let's get a little things clear out of the way. You may be thinking intellectually, you know it intellectually, but your behavior, your body, the way you do things, is it reflecting what is going here? Because what is going here, how you move around your day-to-day activity, is as a result of what you believe here. It's not as a result of what you know here. You can know it intellectually, but behavior-wise, you're completely opposite. Why? It's lack of believing. Understanding how to believe. How do you know you're believing? Let's dive it straight into it. When I started my online business, I used myself as a yardstick. Like I normally relate, so it's relatable. I did not have any clue of what I was doing. I was following, when you start, you've watched like thousands of YouTube videos. People, all various types of people telling you different things. So they've already put so many things in your mind. So you have kind of an idea of how online business works. That's probably where you are if you haven't started. Now, when you sign up for a program, it doesn't matter what. I use SFM. There are very few of them that I think there's just 3 that are credible. The rest I don't think they are. They're just trying to get your money. The only 3 that are good. So if you sign, SFM is one of them. If you sign up for a program and you start building and you get to the phase where nothing is happening, as a result, you stop. You pause any small decision that requires to maybe more of your time or a little bit more attention. You get a little bit frustrated. It's because you don't believe. And if you don't believe something, you will never do it. Let's say you start and they say, okay, you're paying $97 a month. I know some people pay at least $100 and something a month. They're paying $97, that's what SFM charges. And you get into that monthly payment, and as a result, you're building the business, every day you're doing the thing, but for some reason, it's not working. You're not getting up to do the work. You wait, Monday will pass, Tuesday will pass, Wednesday will pass, Thursday, and Friday you work like 8 hours on the business. And Sunday you add additional time because you think that is how to get it to work. What I'm saying to you now, that behavior, you're not believing. If you have read The Stranger's Secret, he says, I normally say that book because it's the fundamental of everything you'll be doing. You will become what you think about. Again, what has this got to do with this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? If you're not thinking about it every day, if you're only thinking about it Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday and Sunday, or wherever, 2 days of the week, that's the only 2 days you think about it. What are you thinking about from Monday to Friday? It's work. So what do you think you will manifest on the other end? The business? You must be kidding. You manifest the work. It's that simple. That's what it is. So that's why SFM teaches you, do it every day, gradually. Don't get into that hype of you're gonna do it in chunk a big long of hours into it one day and believe it will work. It's not gonna work that way. It's not gonna work. You got to follow the mentor's instruction. That is why they say every day 2 hours, every day 2 hours. They want you, the reason for that daily consistent action is they want you to think about it every single day. They want you to get the results. It's intentional. They want the best for you. But if you go on the other hand and you start doing your own stuff, whatever you feel, based on how you feel your life should balance, because you will come up with excuse. I'm saying to you, as you believe, so shall it be done unto you. Because that your behavior is what you believe. It's not what the mentor is telling you. So what I'm saying is, you don't know it. Accept that fact. You don't know it. So follow someone who has achieved the results that you want. Stick with their training. Stick with their platform. Stick with their coaching. Stick with it. Squeeze in every little bit of time you've got. Because that demonstrates that you are coachable. If you've watched my video where I talk about who are you listening to, this is where it comes into play. Your mentors will tell you what to do in the business. You will go out and do your own. Who do you think you believe? You believe the mentor or you believe yourself? Remember, as you believe, so shall it be done unto you. Now, you're manifesting walk every day. And you say the program doesn't work. It's not the program. It's you that needs to change. It's the hardest thing. But it has to be done. And you can do it. That's what I'm saying. It's just a little bit of understanding. Wake up a little bit earlier. If you're sleeping too much, if that's what it takes, do it because you believe it. That's exactly how I did it. I was waking up earlier. If you say you don't have time, I didn't have time as well when I started. But I found the time very early in the morning. When the family was asleep, it was very hard in the beginning, trust me. I'll tell you the truth. It was waking up at 3 a.m. when everybody's sleeping. Oh my God. Why did I wake up? I was thinking about it. Every day for 4 months. Is it easy? Hell no. Most people will tell you, hey, you can make 6 figures in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and you sign up, you're in dreamland. You get into the program, the rubber meets the road. You can't even change your habits. I struggled with it. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to deceive, but I'm telling you the path that I followed. So no matter where you are, you're singing, you don't have time, you don't have the money. It's not who has the money that wins. It's the person that is doing this thing, I'm telling you, that will succeed. Even if you don't have the money, with the little money you have, and you do this work, you will succeed because you're on the path. You are coachable and you're teachable. So as you believe, so shall it be done. Check your behavior. Check what you're doing. Is it in line with what the mentors are telling you? If it's not, you need to change something. So I want to share, that's what I want to share with you here today. So if you want to join my webinar, I'm happy to invite you to come and see it, check it out for yourself. See what I do, see how I do it, see how I schedule, because most of my things I schedule them. I plan them, I organize them. That's how I expect you to. When you wake up in the morning, you are already crystal clear on what you want to do within those 2 hours. It's productive. It's not a 2 hours of coasting. You're not waking up to think about what to do. You already know exactly what you want to do. That's how I teach. That's how I train. This, boom. Next week, you're thinking of something else. Get your website done. Boom. Get your trackings run. Boom. Get your campaign right. Boom. Get your blog right. Boom. If that's what it takes, do it. Wake up slightly earlier if you need to. That demonstrates what you believe. You don't need to have the money. It's your behavior that demonstrates what you believe. Be careful about this one. It is your behavior that demonstrates what you believe. So if you're going to work every day, there's nothing wrong with it. But understand that it has to be replaced. So give yourself time to succeed and build the business. It works. My name is Pascal Imonitie. If you like what I share, give me a thumbs up. And if you like the channel, subscribe please. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.